Hi, welcome to another video of Discounts series. In this video we will get Adobe Photoshop coupon code 2023. So, before we start you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, so you never miss any update from CB9 in future. First of all, go to craftail.pk website and click on Deals and Coupons. Link is in description. Here find Adobe Store under Popular Stores or click to load all stores. On Stores page click on Adobe Store. Here you will find all Adobe products coupon. Find the Adobe Photoshop coupon under Popular Coupons tab. Now click on Click to Reveal button. On Adobe Photoshop website find Adobe Photography Plan. Click on Buy Now button and proceed to checkout. Congratulations, you have successfully got Adobe Photoshop coupon code 2023. Fill the information and complete your purchase. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe CB9 channel.